Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So after completing the Maid of the Mist boat ride, so we are getting out of this area, and when we were passing through this area there are so many restaurants, gift shops or many other shops. There was a big sale. Kids stopped by to buy some jackets, especially the wind jackets. You can find the wind jackets on a very good rates here, but it's okay if you can want to explore the Clifton Hill market area, which is very close by. When you out from this area, you will see there is a big street, crowded street actually. You can go there and buy the souvenirs for your friends and family. So people are eating food after Maid of the Mist, doing shopping, and some are figuring out what is next in their list. So we are planning to sit in this train. The one is coming down right now with full of people. So when this train will open the gate, we will board in to go upstairs. That is the area where you can do zip line and few other activities at the Niagara Falls. So we boarded and the train is going up. It's just like a one bogie of the train is going. It's like an elevator, open space elevator, where you can enjoy the Niagara Falls through the glasses. See this dirty water you can see on the Canada side. The white thing is the impurities in the water. This is American view. We are up here, ready to exit. So after exiting the elevator or train, so we are just walking around the area. I'm just making this video to give you a flavor of the surrounding of the Niagara Falls. As you can see, diverse crowd. There are so many different people. This area is surrounded by so many big hotels. So if you're planning to come to the Niagara Falls, the rate starts. The closer hotel to the Niagara Falls, a little bit expensive, and if you keep looking the distance further and further, the price keep going down. And there are very close hotels like Sheraton, Hilton, and there are a few other brands that if you're staying in those hotels, you can see everything from the rooms. Today the weather is a little cloudy. Rain is expected. But we were lucky the rain didn't disrupt our schedule of activities for the evening. These people are lined up for the better view of Niagara Falls. I also get into the line to catch this view from a height. It's just Niagara Fall everywhere from all sides. You can see, like, keep moving around. You can see the different views from different sides of the Niagara Fall. So if you get bored, as I said in the previous video, just explore the surrounding areas like Toronto. In Toronto, you can go Central Island, CN Tower, Dundas Care, and if you have more time, you can go further. So after this walk around, we are moving towards a journey behind the falls. So basically, we have one activity in our package that we will go through the tunnel, and that took us exactly behind the falls. Behind the falls, people are already there. You see these yellow jackets. So the previous group is already there enjoying the falls from the behind. I hope you will enjoy this video. So stay tuned for more adventures at the Niagara Fall. I have other places to show you. I hope you'll enjoy this video. I'll see you in the next one.